Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on your Poco X4 GT. So in order to do this, let's open Google Play Store, try finding Call of Duty. But as you can see, there's no real game, so now let's go back to fix that. Click on the profile icon, move to the settings, reveal family options, move to parental controls, and here either disable parental controls entirely by typing in your PIN like that, or go for apps and games, enter your PIN, click OK, and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure you save that settings, and after that go back and let's try finding Call of Duty again, and it's right here, we can download it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.